We are here to make a difference for our students, to make a difference for our whānau, but also to make a difference for the community. So we believe that everything we do in our kura has a direct link to the feeling in the community.
In 2011, we measured ourselves against the Kahikatea Measurable Gains Framework, and we came out very low in terms of the whānau engagement area, and we decided that that was unacceptable. We did a lot of one-off things, but that never brought along the long-term effect that we so much aspired for.
That was our overall goal, really, that our tamariki walk tall, wearing proudly the korowai of their ancestors. That was our overall goal in terms of a whole lot of things, you know. So, pai ake rā te kei roto i ngā mahi tuhi pāngarau, ahako te aha. Ara te whakapapa, te papatipo, horei tēnā mea katoa.
It's giving effect to our mission statement e te puerea. Te tikanga kia pua wai ai ngā tamariki i te ao Māori, i te ao hurihuri anō hoki.
We began the journey with whānau ora to engage our families about 3 years ago, and we worked collaboratively with Te Kura Reo Rua Waikirikiri. The whānau ora navigators have a variety of roles in the school, but one of their most important roles is to work with families developing goals.
I meet with them once a week, and he gives me worksheets and targets to reach, and I go and do them. And it's good having myself accountable to someone who actually cares about my children and me. They help with my other boy as well, who's autistic, and they just give me direction and support that I need. I blinking need it.
The language of learning shouldn't be exclusive to the kaiako and the kura. Part of that is sharing that language with the parents, so learning about some of the assessment tools that we use in the school, learning what a running record is.
This might help you. What I do for comprehension and comprehension skills is I'll stop him at the end of, say, a paragraph and maybe ask him about 3 questions about what he read.
And I've noticed that in your homework sheets, that they'll read a passage and then you're asking specific questions, and it makes them either go back and look at it or remember.
8. Ooh, I get to go first. Awesome.
Tatum's story is one of our success stories. She was our first parent that we signed up to whānau ora.
2 years ago, I was a beneficiary, separated. I didn't have a lot of clear direction. We had to identify what support I needed. I needed support to actually develop an outstanding CV. I was a lot more confident and obviously got the job.
She's enjoying her job, her whānau are sustained, they have kai, and her girl is turning up to school every day, happy and ready to learn.
Oh boy, did you see his action? He was deliberate where he put his arm. As a Māori parent, we wanted a school that was going to embrace our culture, our language, and our identity. We took the plunge and brought Connor to this school. Within 2 weeks, he was coming home and really proud of who he was, really outgoing. And I thought, if they can do that for my son, I want a piece of that action. So I started teaching here this year. My forte is kapahaka and connecting with Māori boys especially. O tēnei whare. O tēnei whare. Tō kaha. Tō kaha.
Our Computers and Homes program is actually the best program that has ever happened in our kura.
If you wanted to use the arrows to take you backwards and forwards, there is a 10-week course of 2 hours a week. At the end of your 10-week course, there is a graduation, and you go home with a refurbished computer.
I've got some grandchildren that are coming to the school now. They even shown me, you know, at my age, you know, the different places and that one's 5 and one other's 7. It's brought a lot of joy into our homes, and knowing that the children, you know, with the computer and with the learning at the school, it's been just absolutely beautiful. So proud. My granddaughter was in the kapahaka, and I've never ever seen her in the vision that she was today. She was one of the kaias. My heart just was thumping so hard because of what she's learnt from the school, and now she's a kaya, and that's a big thing for in our Māori tonga.
It's definitely been a journey worth taking, because in 2011, one of my teachers were the only parent at our parent interview. But today we have reached the 90 to 95% mark. Even our solo dads, who were once scared to enter the gate, now participate.
Our attendance rate is around 94% most days. Our stand down and suspension rate has gone down, and this year we haven't had any at all. Our project is about whānau participation in schools, but it's also about whānau success. And we believe that our whānau are now feeling that success, that they are realising that anything is possible.